welcome to my channel. My name is Kritika and I make videos related to beauty and lifestyle. With such festive season on boom, we really need to take care of our skin and we need to make sure that our skin game is on point. And I'm here to share with you guys my special skincare routine that I follow before any special occasion, be it a wedding or Diwali or any other festival for that matter, to get a glowing, youthful skin. You can also use this skincare routine as your weekly skincare routine or once in a blue moon skincare routine because it includes several steps which you cannot follow each and every day. So, what you can do is you can follow this once in 15 days or every week, and you'll have a nice, soft, baby like skin. Before starting with the video, a very short disclaimer that all the products that I'm going to be mentioning in this video work really well for me, and hence I'm using them. You can use whatever suits you, and before trying any product you should definitely do a patch test on a small patch of your skin where you try the product on your skin and see if it is actually irritating or disturbing your skin. Then you should not use it. So make sure to do this patch test before using any of these products. So without any further ado, let's get started with our skincare video. Before starting with the skincare, let's get all of our hair and accessories out of our way. And I have changed into something more comfortable and casual. We're gonna start with removing our makeup. I'm gonna use this Garnier Micellar water to remove my makeup. I've already reviewed this product on my channel, so if you haven't checked it out, you can check out this review on my channel. I would leave a link for it in the description box below. I'm just gonna take a very little amount of this and first clean my eye makeup. I have a mirror beside my camera here, so don't mind me looking at it most of the times in the video. I'm then gonna get rid of all of my face makeup. And finally removing the lipstick. Moving on to the second step, that is cleansing. I'm gonna use this Mango Seed Face Shop face wash. It works brilliantly, you guys. I absolutely love it. I have slightly wet my face and now I'm taking a pea amount size of this. Then I'm just gonna rub it between my fingers and finally apply it on my face. I'm really gonna massage it well all over my face. Don't forget your neck. This deeply cleanses my skin and I feel so good after applying this. I have washed it off and now I'm dab drying my face. For the next step, I'm gonna be using this Jeju Volcanic Lava Face Scrub by The Face Shop, and this is another very amazing product by Face Shop. I'm again gonna take a pea size amount of this and then slightly rub it on my face. I make sure to be extremely gentle while scrubbing my face. I do not want to go very harsh with the scrub, and I'm gonna massage it all over my face and not forgetting the neck, of course. And you have to be really gentle with this. This has very fine particles which are not gonna cause tear off in your skin, and it also deeply cleanses your skin. So it's an amazing product if you wanna try it. After 2 minutes of massaging, wash this off and you have a soft baby like skin. For the next step, I'm gonna use this fuchsia face mask. This is a clay mask and I've used so much of it. I've used this so many times. It lasts you like forever. And yeah, I'm using a brush to apply this face mask all over my face. I'm just gonna apply a very thin layer of this and you'd be good to go. This is a very highly perfumed product. I kind of like it because I like my products to be smelling good. So yeah, I enjoy its smell, but if you are someone who do not like perfumed products, this one is definitely not for you. I'm just gonna apply it all over my face using a brush. You can also use your fingers to apply it. Keep this mask for about 20 minutes, and after 20 minutes you can wash it off. All of the previous steps have deeply cleansed my skin, and I feel so fresh and clean from within. For the next step of toning, I'm gonna be using this Jeju Island aloe vera toner that I got from Miniso. This is a really nice toner. It smells extremely fresh and I feel really good after applying it on my skin. As you saw, I took this toner on a cotton pad and now I'm really slightly applying this all over my skin. I'm not being too harsh with this, and let's not forget to apply this on our neck. After the step of toning, I'm going to be using this Nykaa Skin Secrets Rice plus Camellia face mask for the step of face masking. This one says that it nourishes the skin really well, and I am looking for some skin nourishment. So yeah, I'm going to be using this. I love face masking. It gives such a nice soothing feeling, and yeah, you can skip this step if you want, if you do not have the time, but I suggest you should definitely go for it. It gives a lot of serum and boost to your skin. Also, it gives you some nice deserved pampering time. After placing it well on my face, I'm gonna apply all the extra serum on my hands, and we're gonna wait for about 20 to 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I'm simply gonna remove it and apply all of the remaining serum into my skin, especially my neck and also my hands. I really do not want to waste any serum, and I also think our hands need that nourishment. So while my skin is absorbing all this serum on the face, I'll also apply some of it on my hands and my legs. And then I'll massage in all the extra serum on my face. Once my skin is done absorbing all the serum from the face mask, I'm then gonna use this L'Oreal Micro Lift Face Essence. This product is something which is being talked about so much, so I really wanted to try this one. I borrowed it from my sister, and I'm just gonna take few drops of this on my hands and slightly massage it in my hands, and then finally on my face. I'm just gonna dab this all over my face. Sealing the deal with a moisturizer, I'm gonna be using this Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer. I absolutely love this product. I'm taking a pea-size amount of it, and I'm gonna again massage it into my hands and then apply it on my face. I absolutely love this product, and it works so well for my skin. It also works really well during winters when my skin tends to get very dry, so you can definitely give this product a try if you're looking out for a good face moisturizer. Our face is well taken care of now. I'm just gonna end this skincare routine with a nice lip balm from Nivea. This is the Cherry Shine lip balm, and it's a nice lip balm. It works very well for me, and yeah, we're done. And this is what my skin looked like in natural light after the skincare. I've applied no filters on this, and this is my real skin. So guys, that was my Diwali skincare routine for you. Do let me know in the comments down below of how did you like this routine, and also do give this one a try at home. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You can connect with me on my social media handles. The link for all my social media handles would be given in the description box below. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.